Hi children, how are you all? Last class we learned about endangered species, national parks, zoo, then biosphere reserves, etc. Today we are going to study about Red Data Book. What is Red Data Book? Red Data Book. Red Data Book is a record book and it records all the endangered species like plants, animals, etc. or flora and fauna, etc. Red Data Book is one record book. It keep for all the endangered animals list, that is plants and animals, and it is maintained by IUCN. It is maintained by IUCN. The Red Data Book is maintained by IUCN and it is recorded all the endangered species. Panda, tiger, etc. are the endangered species, and these species name also recorded in this book. That is Red Data Book. Next, migration. What is migration? Lower class you learned migration. The movement of animals from one place to another and then back to their native place, called migration. But migration is the movement of animals or species from one place to another and move back to their native place. Some of the birds, butterflies, fish, etc. are showing migration. Next one, recycling of paper. Recycling of paper is very important. We use more paper. What happened? Do you know the paper is made from wood. More using the paper, after effect increasing the cutting of plants and trees and also decreasing the amount of plants. And it leads to deforestation process. So we minimize the usage of paper. We minimize the usage of paper. It save not only the trees, we can also save the energy and water. Water is more needed for making the paper. So dear students, minimize the usage of paper and protect our trees, protect our environment. What is reforestation? Yes, planting of the trees and plants called reforestation. Reforestation. Deforestation is cutting of plants and trees and land is converted into another one place. The wood is used for making furniture, fire, etc. Reforestation is the planting of new plants and trees. Making of one forest. Every year June 5th celebrated as Environment Day. That day all are planting small trees or plants. So my dear children, you should save our environment. You can take one pledge to protect our environment. So we should plant the trees and plants, or we should protect our forest and wildlife. They are also the part of our ecosystem. Okay dear children, our lesson is over. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. If you have any doubt, you call me. Your notes will send through the WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you.